Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month. Absolutely amazing exchange that I've actually been trading on myself for the past week or so, as they have an amazing competition on currently to win a Tesla and some other insane prizes. They also have a 10k sign up bonus when completing all the tasks, so go get involved with that, click the link below and join to win some unreal cash and grand prizes. We've also partnered with BitUnix, who are offering $5,500 of bonuses for the first time deposits on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them as well. And we've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are offering a great discount on their funded challenges right now. Amazing trading platform I've been using myself as well, and conditions, so make sure to get involved there. Also make sure to grab all your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships, BingX and BitTrue. There's tons of free money to be had signing up and depositing there as well. BitTrue specifically have some incredible bonuses right now signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to get involved on their platform depositing and trading as well. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then, on the daily time frame. My brain is pretty frazzled today, I do apologise. You can see here, for Vechain then, we have been coming down for a good while. Potentially you could say maybe that the bottom of this key level is actually down here. You can see that we did have a closed candle channel that we were heading down here for Vechain, that we actually came down and lost. We've been consolidating for the past few days down just under this level here, tapping a nice little supply down here actually. But I mean, there is also a level here that you could say we're technically still inside the range if you include the wicks. You can see here Vechain, just like pretty much all of our altcoins, heading down to the downside in a big way ever since the new year really. Ever since we had that big pump in December with the Trump pump that we saw, we've pretty much been retracing for all of our altcoins. Vechain here absolutely no exception at all. You can see just how highly correlated we are with the negative price action of the altcoin basket. You can see the altcoin basket here looking very negative indeed, heading to the downside in a big way and actually losing that support that it's been riding to the upside for basically the entirety of last year. So pretty bearish stuff, to be honest, in terms of that. Bitcoin is obviously, if you take a quick look at Bitcoin, it has been chopping the markets to absolute oblivion over the past 6 months or so. Everyone knows when Bitcoin starts to go sideways, altcoins do start to bleed, and then the worst possible combination that you tend to get is when Bitcoin goes sideways for a while and then has these steep drops and volatility. Over the past few weeks you can see just how crazy the volatility did get with this range that we put in here in this area where we had low volatility and low volume, followed by a big drop, a big pump, a big drop, and now we're just kind of chopping sideways. I did say and anticipate that this would happen if you check my videos from last week and the week before. I did say when we started seeing this big drop here at the end of February that we were going to see ourselves having some big volatility in this area, and that's exactly what's been happening. Pretty much called this one, to be honest. And as a result, for Vechain, we have seen some crazy continuation to the downside. As I said, when Bitcoin is uncertain, we do see our altcoins bleeding against Bitcoin and against USDT in general, the price dropping all over the place. You can see here the macro is still technically bullish, still making higher highs and higher lows, and we are getting incredibly overextended to the downside, pretty much fully retracing that move that we've seen since November. But right now, as we can see, for Vechain, really not too much going on. Over the past few days, we've basically just come down into this area of liquidity here, potentially looking for a bounce somewhere in this area. And right now, you could say, as I said at the start of the video, that we are heading down in this channel. Really could be looking for some relief back up towards that 3 or 4 cent area. We are down below our 0.23 Fibonacci, but looking very overextended, as I said. Bullish divergence is starting to come in, and we are entering into a big area of demand, in my opinion, for the long term. The entries here are getting more and more bullish, to be honest, and I think if Bitcoin does start to sort its life out over the next month or two, then we could be seeing some relief across the market, not just for Vechain but for the rest of the altcoin space. The weekly time frame you can see here, obviously over the past month or two things have been looking pretty grim, but we are still making higher highs and higher lows here, and I do think if we came back into this area of demand here, we could get a push up towards the all-time high in this year, provided that the rest of the altcoin market doesn't poo itself and Bitcoin doesn't drag the market to hell as well. Right now, a lot of macro uncertainty in the world, and that is obviously dictating a big amount of chop for Bitcoin, which in turn is bleeding our altcoins to death. Take a look at all the altcoins and you will see it's not just Vechain, it's pretty much everything. You can see Solana here, Polygon, Chainlink, Injective, Doge, SHIB, they all look exactly the same. All bleeding because of Bitcoin's recent price action, and we are awaiting some stability to see what happens next. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for the BTCC competition below. Bit Unix for a massive bonus on sign up, and get involved with our other exchange partnerships for free sign up bonuses, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.